How cute is this? I love it. Little Mulberry black purse, absolutely beautiful, with gorgeous double frontage pockets with the postman's lock on it. I mean, it's just lovely. I'm about a size 8-10 in the UK, so it could be a little clutch bag as well. Let's talk you through the features. So obviously, on the front, we've got these two pockets with the postman's lock. So one there and one there. You've also got a zipped pocket on the front here, which is a good sized pocket. Okay. On the back, you've got one flat pocket, which runs the length and it's to the bottom of the purse. The top is a zip top closure and it opens. If I come back here, hopefully you can see that on the back there are 6 card slots and on the front there are 6 card slots. So there's plenty of room for your cards. It's lined in leather and fabric at the bottom, so it could be an evening bag as well as just a purse. Condition wise, it's in really good condition. The interior is in excellent condition. The exterior is in very good condition. There's just a few signs of wear, nothing actually wrong with it. You can just see that it's been used once or twice. The hardware is in very good condition. There again, signs of wear and tear on the hardware, but in fact some of the hardware still has the plastic wrap on it, and here as well it's got plastic wrap here and on here. So it's in really good condition and it's a really sweet little Mulberry purse, very useful. There's a link below that will take you to this on our website. It's a direct link to this product. If you sign up to our newsletter on our website, you will get a code for 10% off your first purchase. Also down below, there is a link to follow us on Instagram where you can get daily updates of our gorgeous Armcandy.